ASCII to X and X to ASCII put if it will having just wait for a moment. Okay. First for this conversion, which is for X to ASCII, right? So if it has given it as an input for this, it might be having some fluctuation in the network, right? So okay, now move with the content to RCX, checking with the each and every bit, right? So it will be putting the content what we are having it into RSI. Okay. So we check with the whether it is a value is greater than 9 or less than 9 for first bit, right? So it will be for 64 bit. For that we will call for some function with some next. So if it is not having the value greater than, rotate for this RBX from a 4 bit, right? Rotate with the 4 bit. So it will be a 1 by 1 value for here. Okay. Make with the ending for this here is 0 FH, small or capital you can apply for this. Compare it with the value is greater than 9, right? If it is below 10, 12, then add 30 changes. So if it will be done with the appropriate number, then it will be directly getting the value, right? So add 30h. So add with the value, actual value. So we'll move the value one by one. That is for first. Next it will be for second and goes on continue. Right, increment, get to the next number, and this loop it will be continued, right, till it has been done or ended with all data. Right. Check with it all the input or output that has been done, and calculate with the final output. Okay. Right. It will be for X to ASCII. That is, if you are having with the value, which it will be greater than 9 or less than 9. Same it will be for which you are going to give it as an input. If it is given as an input as a ASCII value, so we need to get with the. So here also it will be done with one by one content by checking it. So number will take it as, right? So which you are going to have. So as we are going to copy these values in the first number, so we'll take that number directly, right? And then so what are the value which we are going to have initially? We'll make the neutralization for this for reverse conversion with RBX. So this is the first input, so that's why we are given the what we can put as next one as a label for this. So this will be a loop which you are going to have for So it will be goes on continue with the first 4-bit value. So EBX, that it will be for RBX. So move AL, one by one input that you are going to have, compare it. Reverse conversion, which will be with the, if it will be having a ASCII value, it will be a more than 9, so it will be generating error if it will be having a value which will be greater than 9, right? So it will be expected that output that it will be having with some jump if greater and display with the error, right? So default error if it will be having, so we can get with the message, right? So proper input it has been not given, so that we cannot perform the operation. H when it is below equal, that is a 30 value. So it will be done like a subtract, as we have done it for addition, for reverse conversion. Actual operation, that is and with the final output that we are able to get, right? So increment with the next value and ends with the which was added already. Okay, so this set will be like your final procedure call, which you have added it for input, proper input which you are having. So that is a ASCII to X and X to ASCII. Okay, so sequence it will be, doesn't matter wherever it has been called, right? So ASCII input ASCII to X will be required for input, and output which you are going to have if it is for final output, that is in the X. So which you are going to convert it into again ASCII value. Right? So we'll, so with this changes, now we'll go for the final execution for this. Will be so here we'll be having this 2 assignments. So left 64 4 P 4 or 4 P 4 का listen. Okay, so my thing with the is a macro. What is macro of okay, 37 and 174. 37 and 37. Okay, shoot this what is expected, comma expected after a friend one. But I think again at the space. Comma. Right, so rector. Okay. So reduce size, right? So we have paused with the recording, right? So you need to just go for the line number, right? So where it has been error, what error is there, you can able to read and you can solve. So it has been generated with the .o file. Now we need to link that exp.o exp. So and dot slash exp. Okay, so here we'll be performing checking with the first choice. Enter addition. What is it? This addition. So it might be. Okay, we'll see it. Oh, so it is having with 16 bit. Yes, it might be having with some extra string maybe that we are not converted. Right? So let me check. So to put the simple input initially so that we can able to compare the result. Okay, so yes, it is having with the same issue. So right, so it will be correct result that it has been added, right? So yes, that we'll see. Addition here. Okay, so we have taken this. It will be for first operation. Similarly, we'll check it for the subtraction. That we are not having any issue. So we'll give some simple inputs initially, and then we'll check it. Okay, because for the conversion will be required and take the same then input this final result that we're able to get it as a 1 1, right? So at least addition and subtraction that we are able to get it as a final result properly, right? So, and we'll check it for multiplication. We'll take with the simple input so that sorry, multiplication. So because we'll take with the same number input, we'll check. So it will be converted into the form, right? So that's why it will be having some bigger number, right? So it will be ultimately getting it with the conversion, right? So we are able to get it as a first half and a second half. Okay. And for division, let's result. Okay. So first number will take it as hopefully it is correct. Sorry. Maybe 16 last digit. Okay, and with the second numbers. So it will be having with the complete divisible number which you are able to get with the final result as a 2, which is for the conversion, right? So now here it will vary with the final result that you are able to get, which will be for multiplication and division, which will be with the quotient and remainder. Okay, so this set will be for a part for, so having some additional string that it might be due to the values which you are going to take, or buffer space which has been added. So it will be added with this few alphabets, right? So that you can able to get it, right, as a final output window. Okay, so hopefully you might be able to get with this part, right? So it will be for numerical operations with a switch condition or switch case. Right, so we'll now move towards next part, that it will be a theoretical point that we'll cover. Right, so and with the actual practical implementation that will take it in next assignment.